Cupid decided, I'll take a rest day today. Let's see how the animals spread love their own way. And without his arrows to guide their affection, the animals faced a love question. How do we show love? They all thought hard. Bear said, I'll give out hugs with a big heart. Rabbit, with her paws so small and neat, crafted love notes. They were oh so sweet. And Squirrel, with energy, zipped and zoomed, sharing her acorns, loved, blossomed and bloomed. Even the tiny ants marched in a line, carrying heart-shaped leaves, looking so fine. When Cupid returned, he saw love didn't stop. Even without his arrows, love was over the top. He smiled and learned from his high spot above that everyone now knows how to share and show love. Happy Valentine's Day, and let us know if you enjoyed the story. Check out the other ones too.